with the last one, that is optimal page replacement algorithm. Okay, so this is the last algorithm or one which is very good, and the name of this algorithm is optimal page replacement algorithm. And this is the algorithm which is having the lowest page fault rate. Okay, which is having the lowest page fault rate of all the algorithm, and will never suffer from from Baladi's anomaly. Okay, and use of this algorithm guarantees the lowest possible page fault rate of the fixed number of frames. Okay, so we will get the lowest possible page fault rate. Okay, we'll see the tagline: replace the page according to the optimal page replacement algorithm. According to the page replacement algorithm, optimal page replacement algorithm, we have to replace the page that will not be used, for the longest period of time. Okay, so we have to replace the one page that will not be used for the longest period of time. Okay, so among the three, 1, 2, 3, so you need to talk about the future now. Okay, so from among the 3 pages, you need to find which page will not be used. Okay, so which is the page which is not going to be used, which will not be used for the longest period of time. Okay, so you need to find it, and then you need to replace it with that particular page. Okay, so this is the optimal page replacement algorithm, because in this algorithm we are replacing the one which is which will not be used for the longest period of time. So if it is not being used, then keeping it in the memory, it's not a good idea. So we can just replace it. Okay, so let us take one example. From example, you will easily understand the concept and the working of optimal page replacement algorithm. Let us consider the reference string and the page frame as 3. So page frame is equal to 3. We have already taken, as you can see. Okay, and the reference string 70120304230321201701. Okay, so this is the reference string which was there in your book. So we have taken the same one. Okay, so starting with the first, 7 will come over here, 70 will come over here, 701 will come here. Okay, so up to over here, up to this point it was okay. So it was miss, and it was miss. Okay, now 2 will come. Okay, so 2 will be replaced by which page? Okay, now you need to find that among 7, 0 and 1, which is the page which is not going to be used, which will not be used for the longest period of time. Okay, for the first we'll start with the 7. So where the 7 is going to be used? 7 is going to be used at this point. Okay, 0 will be used at this point. Okay, 1 is going to be used at this point. Okay, so among these 3, 7, 0, 1, which page is the one who is not going to be used for the longest period of time? So it is the 7, that is page 7 is not going to be used for the longest period of time. So what we can do, we can replace the 2 with the 7. So 2 will come over here, and 7 will be swapped out from main memory to the disk space. So 201. Okay, done. So we'll come to the next one. Okay, so 0, we'll talk about 0. So again, this is the hit, so we'll write H, this is the hit, this is the miss. Okay, now so 3 will come. So where the 3 will go? So 3 will go 201. So where the 0 is over here, 2 and 1. So it will be replaced by it will be replaced at the place of 1. Okay, where is the 1? 1 is over here. Okay, so 3 will come over here, 0, 2 will be as it is, right? 203. Okay, now the next is 0. Okay, so 0 again hit, this is the miss. Okay, we'll leave it as it is. Now 4 wants to enter. We have to bring the page 4 into the main memory, into the frame, and right now we are having 203. Okay, So among 203, which is the one who is not going to be used for the longest period of time? So 2, 3 and 0. So 0 is the one who will be used at the last. Okay, so we can replace the 4 with the 0. We will place 4 over here, 2 and 3 will be as it is. Getting or not? This is very simple page replacement algorithm. Okay, so 2 4 3 is done now. Okay, so 2, so it was the miss. Okay, 2 will come, so 2 again, 2 will be hit. Okay, so it will remain as it is. So 3, so 3 will again will be hit. 0, okay, so 0 will come over here. So where the 0 will go? So 0 will be go 2 4 3. So 2 4 3, so 3 2 ho gaya, then 4 is remaining. Okay, so where it will go? Where the 0 will go? 0 will go at the 4th location. So 2 0 and 3, 2 0 3. Okay, it was the miss. Then we'll talk about the 3. So when page 3 will come, so page 3 is already there, so there's no chance, so we can say this is the hit. 2 will come, so 2 is again present, so this is again a hit. 1 will come, so when 1 will come, then we need to find which is the longest, which is the page which is not going to be used for the longest period of time. So 203, 20 and the 3 is not, so 20, so 0 is the one, 0 is the one where we can 0 is the one we can place. Okay, so 1 we place is a 2 1 3. Okay, so 3 2 1. So where the 1 will go? 1 will go at the place of 0, at the place of 3. So 2 0 1. Okay, so this is done. This is again a miss because this is the 3 which is not there in the list. Okay, so we have done. Now 2 will come, so 2 will be hit, it will be hit. Okay, hit, then 1 again hit. Okay, 2 0 1 again hit ho gaya. Then next is 7, so where the 7 will go? 7 0 and 1, 0 and 1, so it will go at the place of 1. So 2 0 2, when 7 will come, it will become 7 0 1. Why we have placed 7 over here? Because 2 is the page which is not going to be used ahead, okay, in future. So we have placed 7 over here, 7 0 1. 0 and 1 again hit and hit. This is the miss. Okay, now you can calculate. This is the very simple we have felt till now. So the total number of page fault is equal to how many fault we have guessed? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Only 9 page fault we have got. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. 9 by 20 is easy. Calculate the fault rate. Fault rate is equal to 9 divided by 20 is equal to, you can calculate. Okay, so this is all about the optimal page replacement algorithm.